All right, guys, got a 2019 Nissan Armada with the V8 in it. We trudled it, put an H-pipe on it, and the customer brought his own Magnaflow mufflers that we installed as well. So I'll let you guys see how we set it up. So factory converter there, and there, and there, and there. And then we cut it right there on each side. And then put in a custom H-pipe right there, and then stack the Magnaflow mufflers, because that's the only way they would fit in here. Magnaflows back to back like that. And then went over the rear end right there and 2 1/4 to guarantee good clearance and everything. And then out the back on each side right there and right there with your stainless steel double wall quad tips there and right there. You also have to take the spare tire out on these as well, because spare tire will get in the way. More clearance. But yeah, so there it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And here is the old stuff we took off. So it had a Flowmaster 44 on it, and then resonator delete and tips. So took all of that off, took the white pipe off up there, and then blew it out. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. All right, guys, 2019 Nissan Armada SL V8. Go ahead. Not bad. Not bad. Sound us. 99 right there. Yeah, anything under like 105 is a good shot.
Idle's better too.
Oh yeah, sounds a lot better.
It's got a cold air intake too in it.
Does it?
Yeah.
You got the cold air intake? Nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. All right, 2019 Nissan Armada Trudels with an H-pipe, Magnaflow oval body mufflers, and stainless steel quad tips. There's the old stuff.